Hey YouTubers, Ronald here. We're going to go over the YTE digital food thermometer. This is the CH-112 model. Alright, let's go over what's included. First, you're going to get an instruction manual. You're going to get a meat temperature chart. This has the different USDA recommendations for the temperatures. You're going to get our warranty card and contact information. You're going to get a CR2032 battery. You're going to get Velcro stickers. And last, you're going to get an aluminum clip. And then, of course, the main product is the digital food thermometer. Alright, so let's look at some of those features that we can see right now. On the surface here, you're going to have well, medium, and medium rare, and this gives you the different temperatures for different meat types. You're going to get a button for Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion. You're going to have a max and a min button, and this can take temperatures from -50°C to 300°C, which in Fahrenheit is -58 to 572 Fahrenheit. It has a bottle opener. On the back here, here's a compartment to open up the battery in case you need to replace it. And the backing here is magnetic. So let's show that. So it's magnetic. Okay. To turn it on, you simply open the probe. The probe has a 240-degree range of motion. Additionally, when you look at the temperature, depending on the orientation, it will flip over so you can always read it. It will also left or right justify itself. You're provided this clip, and to use it, you mount this on a wall or whatever surface you want, and then you can insert the clip, the thermometer onto there. Put it over the other way as well. So you can put this like on your grill or something, and you can just have it hanging there for quick access. Alright, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to let me know. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.